शिवांगी और आज मैं यहाँ पहुंची हूँ इंडिया कुटोर वीक के फर्स्ट डे यानी कि ओपनिंग डे पर। और आपको बता दूं कि आज ओपनिंग करने वाले हैं राहुल मिश्रा, जो कि अपना कलेक्शन शो करने वाले हैं और उनके कलेक्शन का थीम है बिकमिंग लव, जिसमें वो 7 स्टेजेस ऑफ लव इसको दिखाने वाले हैं, दर्शाने वाले हैं थ्रू हिज कलेक्शन। तो आइए चलते हैं, देखते हैं कि उनके कलेक्शन में इस बार क्या खास है जो वो सबके लिए लेकर आ रहे हैं। तो इस वक्त मेरे साथ है बीसीआई के चेयरमैन सुनील सेठी सर। हर साल इंडिया कुटोर वीक कुछ नया कुछ बड़ा लेकर आता है, इस बार क्या बड़ा होने वाला है?
आज ओपनिंग शो है और बहुत सक्सेसफुल चल रहा है, तो रोज नई नई चीजें कोई फायदा नहीं। जो नई चीज है वो डिजाइनर की क्रिएटिविटी है, वो सेट्स हैं जो इतने बड़े हैं, जो उनकी लाइन है, जो वो फैशन की लाइन दिखाएंगे वो पूरे साल बिकेगी। इंडियन फैशन डिजाइनर इज गोइंग इंटरनेशनल एंड ग्लोबल and I am very proud of that. If the Fashion Design Council of India has a platform like this, which takes the designer many stages up, we'll be more than happy.
तो इस वक्त मेरे साथ हैं फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर करण सरीन, also known as the gorgeous potato. So आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं करण इस बार?
I mean, it's Rahul Mishra, तो कुछ amazing ही expect कर रहे हैं हर साल की तरह because he outdoes himself every time. So yeah, very excited for the show.
And tell us about your look as well.
Well, it's an amalgamation of what everything was available. Just make it a little extra. So yeah, that's.
अभी हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं इन्फ्लुएंसर, इंस्टाग्राम इन्फ्लुएंसर जो काफ़ी फेमस हैं और लाइफस्टाइल भी वो कवर करती हैं। तो चलिए उनसे बात करते हैं। Are you excited for the show today?
I'm very excited for the show today, yeah.
What are you expecting from Rahul Mishra?
Lots of couture, a great story, and a lot of statement pieces on the runway.
Can you please describe your look also?
I'm wearing a Rahul Mishra quad set. I love it. I think it's really fun. I love the print. And yeah, I mean, it's beautiful.
And what's special about it? What do you think? What will be the special thing?
I have seen glimpses of the show when he showcased at Paris just now. So, like I said, I think you can expect a great story, a lot of thought that's been put behind the pieces, and some of them are definitely going to make your jaw drop.
You got me so high, I ain't never coming down. You got me so high, I ain't never coming down. I need your loving every single day. I need your kisses in every single way.
Now we have with us a famous influencer and who has already been a reality queen, Nitika Kaul. Hello Nitika.
Hi, thank you so much.
How are you?
Very good. How are you?
Good. And are you excited for today?
Absolutely excited and very thrilled. It's India Couture Week, the best of fashion. So really excited to be here.
And what are you expecting from Rahul Mishra?
You know, I'm expecting brilliance. He is one of India's most brilliant designers. His aesthetic, his design sensibilities, everything is absolutely stellar, and every collection is literally like a piece of art. So I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah. And can you please describe your outfit also?
Oh, I'm wearing a very basic but a very sexy silhouette by Ambika Lal. This is a Kolkata-based designer, and as you can see, it has a nice slit on top, so it sort of has that sexy element to it without like being too much. Otherwise, it's a very simple fit. I think she does extremely great silhouette. So yeah, really.
And also Nitibha, you are in Big Boss, right? Are you going to do reality show again?
I think my experience with Big Boss was enough, more than enough. And now I think I'm happy being a content creator.
what do they say? आग लगा दी दिल्ली को कि नहीं? But also the collection. So, you know, everybody is wowing his collection from Paris Fashion Week and Paris Couture Week always. But I'll tell you what he's done today is marvelous. And I loved the first dress she was wearing. It was the first ensemble was fantastic. But you look good in everything. That is Rahul Mishra.
Now we have the social media sensation, none other than Urfi Javed. Hello Urfi.
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. Urfi, you are looking great. Can you please describe your outfit?
This is Rahul Mishra, whatever the team sent me. Yeah.
And are you excited for today?
Yeah, of course. Rahul is the best. I love Rahul.
What are you expecting from him today?
Magic. Whatever he does is crazy. But it's India Couture Week, so something Indian.
And also, we have been seeing your Instagram stories also, but your face looked a little different in that video. Yeah, but right now you're looking very pretty
No, I thought
with all those fillers and all. What was
it was
that
not
about?
fillers. It was I dissolved the fillers, so there are no fillers on my face now.
So it's natural now, right?
For some time, अगर मेरा मन करेगा तो I'll do it again.
मौजूद है इन्फ्लुएंसर इशिता मंगन। इशिता, कैसा लगा आपको ये पूरा शो राहुल मिश्रा ने जो अपना कलेक्शन शो किया?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। मुझे राहुल मिश्रा के पीसेस पर्सनली बहुत पसंद है बिकॉज आई थिंक वो बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं 3D टेक्सचर्स के साथ एंड 3D टेक्सचर्स आपको सीक्वेंस में हमेशा दिखते हैं बट दिस टाइम वी सॉ इट over the head, behind the back. It was very dramatic. I love it. It actually gives me always goosebumps.
एंड तमन्ना को देखकर कैसा लगा?
Tamanna is very pretty, very hot. She came in a dress. She looked amazing. और फिर वो लहंगा में पहन कर आई, उसमें भी वो हमेशा अच्छी ही लगती हैं. So I think it was nice and I think she has that beauty and grace about her. She makes the piece her own. So that's what I like. Yeah.
अगर राहुल मिश्रा के कलेक्शन को एक वर्ड में डिफाइन करना हो, what would you say?
Eccentric.
And tell us about your look, what you're wearing.
I'm wearing Rahul Mishra. It's a silver pantsuit. It's very comfortable. What I like about it, it is edgy at the same time, and it's a dramatic piece, but it's comfortable, good for all body types. Very easy, breezy. I love it.
So are you going to, have a look at all the collections, all the designers for the whole week? Are we going to see you again and again?
I'm going to try. I'm one you. And I think kudos to the team who makes it to every single show, but I'm going to try my best.
You give me you give me you give me
Good evening, Delhi. So happy to be here and so happy to be opening India Couture Week with two of my most favorite people in life, Rahul and Divya. I am lucky that I'm getting to walk for not just two of the most creative people in India, but also two really amazing human beings. I actually met a friend yesterday who only spoke about how well Rahul has, while he's grown in his creative journey, he's helped so many other creative people grow. And that is a quality that does not exist in everybody in the creative field. But I feel like that makes me understand why he would make a collection that are about stages of love. Because Rahul and Divya, you both are the actual embodiment of love. And hence you can come up with a collection that talks about stages of love. इतनी खूबसूरती से उन्होंने ये सारे जो कपड़े बनाए हैं, I don't think it's just about bringing Indian textile and Indian embroidery into the global stage, but I think it's a constant celebration of how creative people should not be contained and have any boundaries. They break boundaries again and again and again, and on a global space they do it, and they come back to India. We just look at them with awe, and we're all so proud of Rahul and Divya for you being called the national treasure of India is totally legit, and I just feel super lucky क्योंकि मुझे उनके ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत कपड़े पहनने मिलते हैं और उनकी जो बहुत अमेजिंग थॉट्स है वो मुझे शेयर करने मिलता है उनके साथ बस. सो दैट्स मेरा सौभाग्य है. सो थैंक यू फॉर थिंकिंग ऑफ मी एंड मेकिंग मी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस अमेजिंग शो एट इंडिया कुटोर वीक. एंड यस,
let's dance together. Oh, slow down. Let's dance together.
So the collection is called Becoming Love. So this collection we have showcased in slightly different form at Paris Haute Couture Week, and we were very, very lucky that all the global press, everybody loved it, and they have rated amongst the best internationally. So when we came back to India, we could not get even a single garment from there. So I have to mention this, that I am so lucky and so proud to have the team behind making these clothes again. Like a lot of Paris pieces which you see today were made in record time, as less as 10 working days. So it was very pressurizing, but the team has done such a great job. And I really feel like, as a designer, or these clothes or label carries my personal name, but the brand belongs to this community of people who work with us. So definitely all for them.
Yeah, yeah. Whoa. And we're dancing all night long to the beat. I'm coming. And we're bringing all night long to the heat. There's something. You got me so high. I ain't never coming down. You got me so high. I ain't never coming down. I need your loving every single day. I need your kissing in every single way. I need your loving every single day. I need your loving. I need your loving.
मौजूद है राहुल मिश्रा. Rahul, tell us about the collection, particularly about Tamanna's look.
So Tamanna's first look is inspired by idea infatuation. So infatuation is like second stage of love. First is attraction, and somehow infatuation जो है जिसको दिलगी बोलते हैं, this is a kind of stage where a person is happiest in life. So Tamanna's look represents that feeling of garden, endless garden, like life which promises only roses, or I would say flowers only. So वो एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन था इस आउटफिट में, जो कहीं ना कहीं एक फ्रेशनेस दिख रहा था. Almost like when you are in a stage of infatuation, you want to get up every day, dress up really well, and you're not worried about if the other person reciprocates the same emotion to you or not. It's just the feeling of crush which makes your heartbeat skip when you see that person, and you are just happy about it. So it is in a way happiest stage of love. Other love promises, like from, as I said, from idea of attraction to infatuation, then to surrender, reverence, devotion, and it becomes obsessive also. And then finally, death also brings about, a bit more depth in love, and love is transformed into memory.
कानपुर का लड़का पेरिस तक पहुंच गया. अपनी फैशन जर्नी को आप डिफाइन करेंगे तो कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे?
आई थिंक मैं कानपुर से नहीं, मैं कानपुर के पास एक 80 किलोमीटर दूर छोटा सा गांव है मनहौसी. मैंने पहले 10 साल वहीं बिताए हैं. छोटा स्कूल था, और कभी सोचा नहीं था. स्कूल में भी छप्पर था, ज़मीन पे बैठ के पढ़ाई करते थे. और वापस जाता हूँ गांव में. अभी गया था मैं 10-15 दिन पहले. हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं वहाँ पर एक एम्ब्रॉयडरी स्टूडियो सेटअप करने के लिए, जिससे कि हज़ारों लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिल पाए गांव में. तो बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम और अभी तो सिर्फ बिगिनिंग है. आई थिंक विल गो इवन बियॉन्ड, बट वेरी हैप्पी कि पेरिस के शो को न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स से लेके फाइनेंशियल टाइम्स सारी न्यूज़पेपर ने वन ऑफ द बेस्ट शोज बताया. सो जस्ट वेरी ब्लेस्ड एंड गॉड इज रियली काइंड.
के ओपनिंग शो में फैब्रिक का जो इस्तेमाल था प्लस सीक्वेंस जो उन्होंने यूज किए हुए थे वो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट कर रहे थे. सो आई थिंक आई रियली लव द कलेक्शन फ्रॉम द फेस्टिव पर्सपेक्टिव, क्योंकि अब फेस्टिव सीजन आने वाला है तो उस पर्सपेक्टिव से देखा जाए उनका कलेक्शन परफेक्ट है. बट ओवर द टॉप लुक तो आई थिंक तमन्ना भाटिया का ही था, जो कि शो स्टॉपर थी. और उनके लुक में राहुल मिश्रा ने वो दिखाया इन्फैचुएशन. जी हाँ, उनसे हमने बात भी करी और उन्होंने बताया कि तमन्ना के लुक में उन्होंने इन्फैचुएशन वाला जो स्टेज है उसको रिप्रेजेंट किया है, जिसमें फ्लावर्स और सब कुछ हैप्पी हैप्पी सा दिख रहा है. एंड तमन्ना के लुक में वो भी काफ़ी हैप्पी लग रही थी. तो मेरे लिए तो तमन्ना का लुक फेवरेट था. आपका कौन सा था ज़रूर सोचें और हमें बताएं. और बने रहें इंडिया टीवी के साथ.